So if you work in a group practice or a clinic, you're probably going to want to invite your colleagues to join your account. So the way to do that is just on the bottom left-hand corner here to click Invite a Team Member. You get this pop-up notification where you add your colleague's email address, and you can change their role to be either a team member or an administrator. Team members can do video calling, but administrators can also configure the account and invite other colleagues. Then once you click Send Invite, your colleagues will receive instructions as how to join your account. The other way you can invite your team members is to click on Configure and the Team Members tab here. There's a button on the right here that allows you to add a new team member, and this is also where you can change the permissions or the role of your team member by clicking this little Edit Permissions button here. Click on this and you can specify whether your team member is an administrator or a standard team member.